switch up the scenery. Look, there's nothing wrong with reaching out. There's nothing wrong with seeking advice. There's nothing wrong with constructive criticism. There's nothing wrong with other people holding you accountable for what you said. You holding in everything is gonna make your life 2 times worse, 2 times harder, 10 times harder. It's already hard to find an outlet. It's already hard to vent. It's already hard to open up because we wasn't taught how to do these things. That's why I preach finding an outlet. Art, journal, music, guitar, martial arts, anything that can release these emotions. Working out, that's how I release my emotions. You know, I've been a witness to too many people who've committed suicide and they didn't reach out. They were crying for help in silence. You know, and I don't wish that on nobody. There are plenty of support groups online. There are plenty of mentors online. Steph is Cold, C Boogie, Ron Wills. You know, there are great YouTubers out there, or great life coaches out there who give advice. You know, and the community itself is helpful. Reddit, Discord. But that's really the main message of the video, man. There's nothing wrong with having a support group. There's nothing wrong with having friends. Every man should have a support group, man. Every man. You know, there's nothing wrong with the me, myself, and I can do it myself mindset, but it's dangerous. It's a double-edged sword. You gain nothing. And I'm gonna just leave off with this. Sometimes you have to lose to win. It's just about winning the battles that count. Life, pain, suffering, it's the greatest teacher. I noticed every time I suffered, every time I lost, I learned from it, and it made me a better man. Actually, it's the losses that I've taken in life that has molded me into the man I became today. I didn't grow off of my wins. All of my wins kept me the same. It's the losses that forced me to grow. So you have to take adversity, you know, to learn. But it's about winning the battles that count. Meaning, it's about winning the battles that's going to affect other people, affect you mentally, affect you spiritually, affect you emotionally, affect the people around you that matters. Those are the only battles that matter. Mental health matters. Physical health matters. You know, winning the battle of life, not giving up, not taking the low road, committing suicide. That's what matters. You know, so just keep pushing, keep going, keep grinding. And I'm gonna keep rolling out videos. I'm back like I never left. And you know, I just wanna just shed light. Everything I say, I stand behind 100%. I love you all.